Go on, viewers and subscribers. Continue watch the video if you want to hear more of One Biggs Dan brand new song. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. Viewer subscribers, One Biggs Dan is at it again and is set to release a brand new song. And when that one a drop, it now go normal, it a go bad, it a go wicked, it a go mad, it a go sicked. No joke. Talk truth no people. You know hear something where the man a say in the song. The man a say, yo, I know nothing for making money rain. Big food drop dog and no funny change. I know nothing for him drop it dirty range. Yo people, that one a sound like it's a instant banger, you know, for the One Biggs Dan. I'm not even gonna talk too long, you know. Just check out that clip here, a One Biggs Dan brand new song. That was One Biggs Dan performing his brand new song, and when it drop, it a come bang out the city, it a come chop out the city, hit the place like tsunami, run the road like bolt. Yo, that one a not go normal. Remember me told you no people, when it drop, it a go have a bag of people a talk a bag of things. Remember me tell you no, I'm not even gonna talk too long, you know. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the One Big Dance fans them, all of my loyal CR Clan fans them, spam up the comment section and tell me what you think about that big bad song ya. It a go bad, it a go wicked, it hot, it cool, is a hit, or it's just a normal song. Yeah man, I want to see all of my loyal CR Clan fans them and all of the One Biggs Dan fans them a spam up the comment section and make me know what go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian and I'm out.